Are you worried about how to tackle the termite menace at your home or office? If yes, we have an ultimate solution that can solve this problem effectively and offer long-term protection against termites. Termites are voracious wood eaters. They damage things that are made of wood, ply, or things that contain cellulose. Things that are being damaged and destroyed by termites may include wooden beams, ceiling joists, plywood panels on the walls, door and window frames, wardrobes, kitchen cabinets, beds. They also do considerable damage to the building structure, which can lead to a safety risk. Hence, proper inspection, identification, and thorough treatment with a choice of effective termiticide is very important to offer professional service and overcome the termite problems. Presenting Agenda, an advanced chemistry to control termites for post-construction and pre-construction anti-termite treatment. Agenda is new generation chemistry that contains fipronil 2.92% EC as an effective ingredient and used extensively worldwide for termite treatment. Agenda has become the #1 choice among many pest control operators in India. It offers an effective and superior solution against termites and gives peace of mind to the customers. Let's understand why Agenda is a preferred solution for termite control. The benefits of using Agenda are: it is the only EC product that is odorless, non-repellent, hence termites can't recognize treated areas and get exposed to this termiticide. Due to domino effect, the chemical is transferred from one termite to another, which may result in eliminating the entire termite colony. Agenda has soil-binding properties with long-term protection, flexible in use, can be mixed in water as well as oil-based solvents, provides long-lasting protection. When it comes to choosing the right termiticide, Agenda stands as a clear winner and preferred choice compared to other solutions available in the market. Let's see Agenda's comparative advantages. Agenda is the most suitable, odorless and non-repellent product for the treatment of woodwork, like wardrobes, modular kitchens, furniture, etc. during post-construction anti-termite treatment service. Post-construction ATT process. Agenda is a liquid termiticide and easy to apply. The 3-step process for post-construction anti-termite treatment is drilling holes along the internal perimeter and digging trenches or drilling holes along the external perimeter of the building, filling holes with Agenda solution, sealing the holes after treatment. Dosage: 15 ml per liter of water for post-construction anti-termite treatment and 25 ml per liter of water for pre-construction anti-termite treatment. Safety tips and best practices: always wear safety gadgets before beginning the treatment. Avoid SC formulation in the treatment of plywood, as it is usually mixed only with water, and water-based application may attract fungus growth in the wooden articles. To offer superior service to your customers and win the battle against termites, trust only Agenda.